Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Litecoin. On 16th of November, I shared this idea with you on the weekly chart. The price action of Litecoin formed this pennant, and you can see that I have also shared this video on 16th of November with you guys almost a month ago, when the price action of Litecoin was likely to break out this pennant. And as per the sequence of this pennant, I just took the measurement from the tail of the pennant up to the support and placed it here. So our next target was $100, and after playing this chart, we can see that the price action even spiked beyond $100 up to 100 and approximately $40. And in the meanwhile, the price action was also at this uptrend line on this daily chart. And here I posted another idea and other video as well. You can see this was a video that I shared almost 3 weeks ago, and I told you that the price action can have a pullback up to this support, and from here it will be bounced. And you can see that it was moved up to this support that was approximately at $71 or $72 and spiked up to $139. By the way, if you're not following me on the Patreon, then I've also shared the link in the video's description. It will be a very good support for my channel, and you will have very good trading experience as well. Now, if we first take a look at this previous article that I shared in my last video with you, when I told you that it is not difficult now for the price action of Litecoin to reach up to $200 after this breakout. And I was telling you that we will have the different resistance level. At that time, the price action was struggling at $90 resistance. Then we have $110, then $140, $170. Then we can have the psychological resistance at $200. However, if we take a look at the previous resistance levels and the support levels, then we can see that the major resistance will be at $230. And now after playing this chart, and now we can see that the final price action has spiked up to this next resistance level. It has broken out the 110 and moved up to $140 resistance level. And from here, it is likely to be rejected. And now if we take a look at the live daily chart, at this time, the price action has formed this rising wedge pattern, and it is at this resistance of the pattern at this time. And it has already broken out the 25, 50, 200, 100, and 200 simple moving averages, and having very good supports of all these simple moving averages. So the rising wedge pattern is considered as a bearish reversal pattern among the traders community. But at this time, I'm not expecting that it will break down this support of the channel, because we have very good supports, strong supports of all these moving averages. However, we can expect a pullback up to this support of the pen, and that is almost at $110, where we have the previous support, the price level support. Now here I would like to share a very important move with you guys, and that is the formation of this symmetrical triangle on this very small time period hourly chart. Even though this is a very small time period chart, but this can be a really decision making pattern for the price action of Litecoin, because if the price action will break out this resistance of the triangle, then it can also make another attempt to break out this $140 resistance level. Because if we take the measurement again from the tail of this triangle up to the support, and we'll place this measurement up at the tip of this triangle, then we can see that our next target can be approximately $140. This is the same level where we have the next resistance level from where the price action is already rejected. And if the price action will break down the support of this triangle, then it can move up to this level there, that is $110. That is our previous support that I have told you we had after $90, and recently the price action has broken out this previous resistance that is now working as a support. So it can retest the previous support of $110. However, if it will break out this resistance, then it can be a completely game-changing move for the price action of Litecoin, because after that it will make another attempt to break out this $140 strong resistance level that we can see on the weekly chart. Very strong and major resistance on the long term. It had been working as a resistance here back in 2019. And we can also see that it has been working as a support here back in 2018. So this is really, really major resistance. At this time, the price action is again rejected by this resistance. So once it will be broken out, it can move up to $170, and you can see that $170 has been working as a resistance previously, but this is not as that much powerful resistance as we have here at $140, and it can easily break out the $170 and cross the $200 level as well. So this is even though this is a really very small time period chart, the hourly chart, however, within next 24 hours, it can give a very big decision. It can show a very big result for us that whether the price action is going to break out this major resistance or it is moving back to the previous support. So this is the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do support my channel on the Patreon as well. You can join me there. I've shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. And take care. Goodbye.